The success of a solar streetlight project largely depends on its battery. However, statistics show that 80% of projects suffer battery failure within just 2 years. Why do solar batteries lose their ability to hold charge so quickly? Today, we will analyze the deep technical reasons behind battery failure and explore how a proper design can solve this problem for good. Most low-cost solar lights use lead-acid batteries or recycled lithium cells. These have a very low cycle life, typically only 300 to 500 full charge cycles. As a result, the batteries often swell or become completely dead even before reaching 2 years of use. This creates a significant financial risk, especially for large-scale B2B projects. Batteries are most heavily affected by temperature. Below 10 degrees C or above 50 degrees C, standard lithium batteries struggle to charge properly. In extreme desert heat or polar cold conditions, these batteries can suffer permanent damage. As a result, the maintenance cost of the entire project increases significantly. A battery pack consists of multiple individual cells. Without a smart BMS, battery management system, the voltage between these cells becomes unbalanced. This imbalance can lead to overcharging or even short circuits. Without a robust management system, it is practically impossible for a battery to last 10-12 years.
Now let's look at how Dell is solving these problems. Dell uses Grade-A LiFePO4 inches batteries. While standard batteries fail after around 500 cycles, Dell ensures more than 4,000 cycles and a lifespan of up to 12 years. Our German-engineered BMS provides precise protection across a wide temperature range, from -20 degrees Celsius to +65 degrees Celsius. In addition, the 4 series and 4 parallel 4S4P configuration gives the battery pack maximum stability, efficiency, and reliability. Accurate information and technical knowledge are what make a project truly successful. We hope this masterclass on solar batteries helps you make the right decisions. For long-lasting and reliable solar solutions, Dell is always by your side. For more details, visit solar-led-street-light.com.